Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete browser history of last 7 days on Google Chrome. Friends, if you are facing any errors or issues in using Google Chrome browser, then it will be better to clear history of last 7 days. So open your Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser, press on the three dots. Now here press on history. Now in history details, click on clear browser data. Now from here you can select the time period of which you want to clear the browsing history. So press on this small arrow. Now here we will select last 7 days. Now after selecting the time period, press on clear data. Now a pop-up window will open and after reading the message, press on clear. Now the browsing history of last 7 days is cleared from your Chrome browser. So friends, like this you can very easily delete browser history of last 7 days on Google Chrome. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.